Wagwan guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video. You guys know how we do. We keep it real with the hair reviews and whatever. As you guys can see by the title, I'm doing a hair review, and the company I am showing you guys today is Tinashe. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I should have checked out how they say it, but it's okay. I mean, I'm just saying Tinashe, you know what I'm trying to say? Anyway, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys me installing the hair. You guys said you like the hair reviews when I'm showing you how I install the hair, so I said, you know what, I'm going to do more of them, don't worry. See, this is the hair that I'm doing today. It's got the, you know, I'm showing we doing up a bit of highlights. You know what I'm saying, guys? I did already cut the lace because it was a bit of a wild one, I'm not gonna lie. But inside they give you a hair bonnet, a bag with the hair vendor on it, and it says human hair, high quality, best choice. And it also the bonnet comes in it. So guys, when I tell you I'm in love with it, as you guys can see, I'm wearing it right now. When I opened it, my mom was like, oh, I think I should have that one. I said, Inside they give you a packet of lashes, a hair leaflet, which is got to do with the hair. Actually, this is actually quite helpful because when I read this, I was actually quite surprised. Most companies that I've hair reviewed and stuff, they've not really showed the hair instructions, because you see the curly hair, it's still there, the frontal curly hair. They didn't really explain the hair washing technique, but in here they have the hair care instructions of what you should use, the products, how you should do it. Do you know what I mean? And I feel like it's very helpful, especially if you think, oh, it's like a normal hair, let me just go wash it, or you do whatever and the hair gets ruined. That's like the worst thing. But I'm glad they've showed, like, you know, brushing, washing, hair, daily care. So they show you what products you can use. So yeah, that's what's in here. Then also they have the socials at the back. It has 2 wig caps inside. So today I'm going to be showing you guys me putting on a wig cap. I don't usually do wig caps, I'm not going to lie. But obviously, you know, we're starting to get professional, do you know what I'm trying to say? And I see a lot of people doing it. And at the same time, I do hear that it is good because it protects your edges and it protects your hair. So I said, you know, why not do it this time? I'm not going to talk too much because I feel like sometimes it is a bit long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the hair and I'm going to get back to you guys when I am done. finished look or whatever, like straightened. I pre-plucked it, guys. I forgot to say the hair does come a little pre-plucked, but I prefer to pluck it myself. But yeah, guys, this is the look. It's such a cute. Yeah, this is the look, guys. I actually, you know, when I saw this hair, yeah, I was thinking, I don't think it's even gonna suit me, but I can't lie, I've tried, why am I lying? I've not even tried that many colors. I've tried blonde worked out for my 17th. And I was like, you know what, this is only a little bit of highlight, how can I not rock it out? But it's cute and whatever. It is a bob. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it goes like that. You guys can see. So this is style. I received the hair like this. I didn't do anything to the hair apart from pre-plucking it. Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, the link to this hair will be in the description box. This hair is very soft, as you guys can see. Like, you guys don't. Guys, look, that's how you know it's actually human hair. Like, guys, as I said, this hair is really soft and I love the look of it. Like, I like how it has the highlights in the front and it has the black in the back. Like, I don't even know what to say. I'm still in love with this hair, guys, because when I got it from before, I didn't actually slay it like this. I just wanted to try it on, but I cut the lace. But I've actually done a proper tutorial for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, all the information about the hair will be down in the description box if you want to purchase. There's nothing like, I'm not even seeing any sheds on me, so far it's not shedded. Even from the first time I even put it on my head, it hasn't shedded. So yeah, guys, so the hair hasn't shedded. The shipping was fast, guys. I don't think I've actually received hair so fast in my life. Yeah, I don't think I actually have. This one has come really quick. Spoke to the vendor and they sent it straight away. Yeah, the hair came quick. There's no shedding, guys. Ever since, like, the whole time I've been doing my hair, I've had no sheds on me whatsoever, and the hair doesn't smell. It is very soft, as you guys can see. And I feel like you guys haven't really seen me with straight hair. I feel like I've been doing a lot of curly hair. So I said, you know what? A bit of colour, a bit of straight. You know, I'm trying to say, work it out for you guys. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'm new to this, putting the wig cap, but I feel like it actually did help. I don't know why. I don't know. I just feel like it actually has helped. Guys, look how slate that looks. Are you dumb? Guys, I don't think you guys are actually deep in it. Like, wow. Okay, girl. You slayed yourself. Yeah, that's it for the video. As I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know the dream editing, send whatever. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video to somebody who wants to learn how to put a wig cap on. I mean, I was new to it, but I feel like I'm going to start doing it more often. I feel like I'm actually kind of used to it now. That's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Them girls when I'm pretty in a real life, you're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life. Your body looks good, set right.